Hi, I'm Barb from my girlfriend's quilt shop, and I have, this is the foot that came on your machine. This is your J foot. This is the foot you use for everything. The utility foot, the all-purpose foot, right?
Now, where does it say J foot?
It says right
in the
there,
middle. Yep.
J foot.
Okay.
All right, here I have a Candlewicking foot.
Oh, it looks a lot like it.
Well, kind of. They're both flat.
Yeah, and open.
Yeah, they are. But
Doesn't
this
have
one,
that spring.
there is nothing in between. So this is way open. Not only that, because that makes it so you can see where you're going, right?
Uh-huh.
Not only that, but look at the back of these feet. Do you see how this one just has, it's flat?
Uh-huh.
This one has a channel.
What do you put in there?
Well, the nice thing about this foot is that it's going to let all that extra thread go underneath. So if you're doing a decorative stitch and you got lots more thread,
Oh, okay.
this one right here might stop it from going, or you know, pucker it a little bit. This one's going to let it just slide underneath. It's also going to allow you to go back and forth sideways. And
Okay.
so let's put this foot on, and I'm going to show you what I mean. All right, so I'm going to choose.
So if I was doing heavy decorative stitching.
Yes, I would definitely use this. And I'm going to use this right here. You got some, oh, you do have some glare. But I picked one with a flower. So that's going to bounce it around. It's going to do all sorts of things. Let's see what it does with this.
Okay.
No troubles, huh?
No.
Just sliding right under there.
Gliding.
It is gliding. But the nice thing about this foot is that I can see where it's going. I can see my stitch forming. Besides, it's allowing it to move around as it needs to move. And I really like that.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that is cool. Nice and quiet.
Which one is this
isn't it?
foot?
This is the Candlewicking foot, and look at that.
That is cute.
A beautiful stitch. And by the way, I'm working on the crescendo today, the baby lock crescendo, because
that's your favorite.
It's my favorite. But the Candlewicking foot is really a fun foot to use. So you got this foot, try it, use it.
Okay.
But do not try to sew a straight stitch with it. I mean, you could. You could sew a straight stitch. But because it allows the fabric to move around underneath, it may not be straight. So this is not the foot you want to have on your machine all the time, just when you need it.
Okay.
Okay.
Great.
Thank you.